All right, guys. So yesterday I made a video, and in that video I've shown you that how to remove icons and captions and comments from the video you are watching, so you can watch the video without any distractions. Like, for example, if I click on this video, you see these icons or symbols of comment, like, and share sign, and then below here on the left you see comments, people who are commenting. And if you want to hide those captions or symbols, there are one way I've shown you yesterday to remove it, which was if you put your two fingers on the screen and move it opposite side, those icons and comments will disappear. But someone in the comment section asked me that he's got iPhone 14 and this trick doesn't work on his phone. So I found another trick to remove those captions and signs or symbols, which is let's say if I go on to this video. So the other way to remove those captions and comments is to put your finger on the screen and press the screen or hold it for few seconds, and then you will see some of the options showing here. So you need to see this option, clear display. So you need to press on clear display, and if you can't see the clear display options, you might need to drag it little bit to see the option, but it's always here on this line. So if you click on clear display, can you see that the captions, symbols or comments again disappeared? So if the first way I showed you doesn't work out for you, then you have to do it this way. I'll show you again. For example, this is another video of mine, and you can see there are comments showing at the bottom, and then there are symbols here. So one way is to do this, and the second way, which should work on everyone's phone, so you keep pressing the screen for few seconds, you will see some options here, and in these options there is an option called clear display. So you click on clear display and those captions and comments disappeared. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest upcoming videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.